Hi, are you worried about your retirement? What your retirement years would look like? According to the National Pension Commission, PENCOM, their report in 2021 of retired civil servants and other pensioners in Nigeria, they will hold over 4 trillion naira in pension arrears, leaving them with uncertain future. Now, let me ask you a question. In a world full of economic uncertainties, what plans do you have in place to enable you to retire from your job or business free from financial worries? Well, that's why I'm excited to introduce myself. My name is Bibiapampa, and I am the retirement queen with a passion to help people live a peaceful, healthy, wealthy life in retirement. I have a short video presentation that outlines my plans for financial freedom, and I'm eager to share it with you. Imagine being able to retire with complete confidence, knowing that you have a solid financial plan in place. Imagine being free from worries about debt, pension arrears, or other financial stress. With my proven strategies, this dream can become a reality. But there's a catch. This presentation is only available to a select group of individuals who are serious about taking control of their financial future. If you are ready to learn how to retire happy, secure, free from financial worries, then this video is for you. Don't wait. Click on the link below to sign up and take the first step towards a brighter financial